Thank you. We'll go to Jim Tressel in Youngstown. President Tressel, are you there? Now we'll see if he comes up. Well,
am I on there, Mr. Governor?
Hey, Jim, how you doing?
I'm doing well, and it's truly an honor to be a part of your briefing. And I think I speak for all Ohioans that ever since the beginning of this pandemic, we've really looked to your briefings and your transparency and your leadership, and that of Lieutenant Governor Husted and YSU grad Dr. Amy Acton, and all of the people that we've grown to count on, and all of the various guests you've had as you've looked at every particular situation in our state. So it truly is an honor to represent the 14 four-year public universities here with you today. I can promise you that we've spent a lot of time together as public universities. I just looked back at my calendar, Mr. Governor, and we've had over 50 either conference calls, Zoom calls, WebExes, whatever it happens to be, ever since the beginning of time, making sure we were working together, helping one another, learning from one another. And there's no question that we feel strongly that this time, this moment, higher education is being counted on. As you think about the frontline nurses and pharmacists and doctors and people that we're counting on to make that vaccine and all those types of things. And so we're working extremely hard to represent the higher ed publics here in the state of Ohio. And we're certainly very grateful to our students. As some of the other presidents mentioned, our students pivoted and went remote. And we were proud of them. We were proud of the faculty who had to make a quick turn in the middle of a semester. Our IT offices, our academic continuity teams, they just did an extraordinary job. And throughout the course of these 4 or 5 months, our workforce has made sacrifices in terms of some furloughs and unfortunately some layoffs. And it's been tremendous to see people's willingness to help us get through this. And as you mentioned at the outset, one thing that you have heard from most of us college presidents is that thanks to our city and local officials, most especially our city and local and county health departments, our folks here, I know, have been lockstep with us, working collaboratively with our people from our occupational, environmental, health and safety areas. They've been tremendous. And I know they have at all the other universities because we've talked a lot about it. And our group of folks is called the Inter-University Council, which is the 14 higher ed four-year publics. And Bruce Johnson is our leader, and Chancellor Gardner is with us night and day. And they put together safe return to campus protocols. And they spend a lot of time thinking about all of the various things. All of us universities have those pledges that ours is the Penguin Pledge, where we pledge to protect ourselves and protect others and protect the campus and protect the community, because we know, as the governor has talked to all of us a lot about, he's not as concerned about when we're on those courses as when we're not in those courses. And we've got to make sure we do a great job, of course, with our face coverings, with our distancing, and making sure that we do not have the large gatherings, especially off campus, and where we're all anxious because we're social beings, to be back together in groups. And we are preaching on every one of our campuses that we know how excited our students are to be here, and that in order to stay here, we've got to do a great job with that social distancing. So all of the help we've gotten has been amazing.
Mr. President, thank you very much for that a good summary. Talk to us a little bit about how your students are doing, what their reaction is, and how's it working?
This is our 9th day, Mr. Governor, and as Dr. Fell and Dr. Johnson said, it's amazing when you walk around campus how they all have their masks on. You don't even need to ask. You can see that they're staying, in social distancing. You can see the smile on the face. I think Dr. Fell mentioned that she saw the student in the supermarket and she could tell he was smiling. You can just see the twinkle in their eyes above their masks. They're excited to be here. They want to stay. And I think in this world of social media, Mr. Governor, they're kind of barbing each other, saying, hey, look, don't mess this up for us. Give us the opportunity to stay. And, so we're working together with all the campuses to remind one another they're excited to be here and we want to keep them here.
Well, a little peer pressure always helps, I guess, right?
That's right.
And, recognizing that it's not going to be easy, but it certainly is possible to stay on campus, but everybody's got to pull their weight and everybody's got to be on the team. So any last thoughts for us? We appreciate you being here.
I would say this, Mr. Governor, we've really been appreciative, all of us, of the federal government and the state government with the CARES Act funding that you've been able to help us with, because it's expensive putting all these protocols in place. The first CARES Act, where we had a chance to really help our students directly, especially our Pell Grant students. So that has not gone unnoticed, and we appreciate it so much. And obviously, I'm sure I speak for the others. If there's any more of that coming along, we could certainly use the help.
Mr. President, thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate it. We thank all of our presidents who called in, but also the ones who are out there working every single day, and the faculty and the whole team with our universities. Ohio is just blessed with so many absolutely wonderful universities, both public and private, and we're proud of all of them.